Hey, what's up everybody? It is Uncle Mad here, back in the kitchen. We're doing something we haven't done in a minute today. We are going into the Bob's Burgers cookbook to cook some burgers tonight. Gestos combed through this, and she picked out the best possible burger that we have not done yet as a tribute to my wonderful sister-in-law who made me the 1 million subscribers plaque to commemorate the huge achievement I have done here on YouTube. Insert picture here. We are going to do free to Brie, you and me burger. This is a look at it. Pause here if you want to see what the full recipe is and do it yourself at home. Or buy the entire cookbook on Amazon.com and do all of the lovely recipes that are inside. This is the one we're doing tonight. It should be pretty simple. It looks pretty easy. Basically, it's just burgers, Brie cheese, bread, gherkin pickles. Shouldn't be too hard. We're gonna get to cooking though and have some delicious burgers in just a moment. Come along for the journey. I can't believe I made it through that whole shot without the dogs barking. The dogs have barked every single 30 seconds tonight. Thank you, Oli. Thank you, Moo Moo.
We love you.
Appreciate you cooperating with that take. All right, let's cook some burgers. Okay, so we've got some of the general prep done already. Here's kind of everything that's going to go into our burgers tonight. The recipe calls for French rolls. Wasn't really clear on what that meant. Is that like French bread, like loaves? Or was that supposed to be like brioche? I couldn't find any brioche buns, so we just went with the standard, what we usually will go with for burgers. Martin's potato rolls, these are always good. Got some diced onions, melted butter. There's the Brie cheese, tribute to my sister-in-law. Sliced gherkin pickles, beef, obviously. Now, one thing that's important in the recipe, it says melt the butter in the pan and then add the onions and cook them together. I'm not going to do it that way. I'm pre-melted the butter because we're going to cook everything on the Blackstone Griddle, so it's not going to cook the same way it would in the pan. So we'll just throw the butter down, cook the onions in it out there on the Blackstone when we get going. And of course, you're doing burgers, you got to do fries. We're going to air fry some potato fries. I had these all pre-prepped. I soaked them in water for a little while. Got them with some oil and some seasonings in here now. One trick I've been using for the air fryer lately on stuff like fries or wings, add a little bit of baking powder to it. It gives that little texture, that little crispiness that you would normally get in real fried stuff. So that's in there. Also want to highlight, this is what I season the fries in. Joe's Kansas City French fry seasoning. I've been using this lately on fries. It's pretty solid, pretty good. Go buy this or don't. I don't care. They don't sponsor me. But yeah, we're prepped up. We're ready to go. We just have to start actually cooking the food because we did the prep. So now we have to actually cook. That's how cooking works. All right, so for the burgers, basic 80-20 beef. We're gonna take that, we're gonna mix in a little, God, I knew we couldn't get through this whole stupid video, you jerk. Worcestershire sauce, Worcestershire. And then we got a cubes of the Brie. And then we're just gonna blend all that together. Oh, this piece of Brie ran away. Alright, everything's good and blended, just need our patties here. I considered doing smash burgers with these, but I think with the cheese in there, it's better to do like full-size patties. So we'll just roll these up nice. Make our burger patties. Probably about 4 with this amount of meat is probably the right amount of patties to do. Alright, we got our patties ready. We'll throw a little salt and pepper on these. They'll go right on the grill. Easy as you like. So this recipe does not really have like a sauce or like a any type of dressing that goes on the burger, but Jesta loves her some aioli. So anytime we do a burger, we're gonna do an aioli, even if the recipe doesn't call for it. So I'm gonna keep a pretty basic one today, keep it pretty simple. Just mayonnaise, obviously the base. God's gift to sandwiches. A little bit of lemon juice. It's just going to be standard, really, nothing fancy on this one. Worcestershire. There's Moo. Bit of old garlic. Get some liquid in there too with the garlic. Pepper. I did these backwards. You're supposed to do salt first. It messes up the flavor if you don't do salt first. Salt. Generous with the salt, obviously. Blend that up really nicely. Moo Moo! No! There we have it. Aioli. Yummy. Alright. Fries are going in the air fryer. Burgers going on the blacktop here. Blackstone. Oh, he's behind me. I almost stepped on him. Blackstone, let's toast up our onions. We got our butter here. Put that right down. Put the onions right into it. And you know what? I'm gonna put a little salt and pepper on the onions. Why not? Alright. Other thing we gotta pre-prep here is buns. I'm gonna give you guys a little trick. A lot of people butter their buns for toasting. Straight from the New York deli where I'm from, honorary New Yorker, we do mayo. Toast it with mayo. Trust me, you'll thank me later. I've probably told that hack on a video before, but if I haven't, there you go. Alright, we got a little bit of leftover brie. We're going to put it on top of the burgers, let it melt. Nice and cheesy, just like Brie herself. Good joke, Matt. Alright, everything is ready. Buns are toasted, aioli's ready, fries are air fried. Onions are grilled, burgers are grilled, gherkins are gherkinin'. Now we just gotta build these suckers and have some food. Delicious. Alright, dinner is served. Here is the burger. I did a double. Jess has already dug in. Jess, how is it?
It's really good.
Really good from Jess. Alright, here we go. Bone apple teas. That is pretty good. Pretty good. Let's see how the fries are.
Ew, Matt. Why did you do that?
Fries came out good. Burger came out good. Pretty solid meal as usual. I watch a lot of cooking channels on YouTube. I've specifically watched a lot of Blackstone cooking channels since we got the Blackstone in March. And I have yet to see anybody ever make a bad meal. It's amazing how everybody's just like, oh, we nailed it. We did it. It's so good. Nobody ever puts up the videos like when I made the zebra domes. Go back and watch the zebra domes video if you want to see real, authentic cooking videos, because it doesn't always go right, despite what YouTube might tell you. This one did go right.
It looked like a kitty litter.
Okay, well that does it for this installment of the Bob's Burgers Cookbook. We just got to clean up the grill, shut her down for the night. That was good. I think we've had success on every one we've done so far of the burgers, so they consistently deliver. They're consistently good. So if you're looking for creative and interesting burger recipes to try yourself, I would certainly recommend you can go on Amazon or anywhere on the internet and purchase yourself the Bob's Burgers cookbook. If you don't like burgers, then why did you watch this long into the video? Definitely would recommend the Blackstone Griddle. I can't recommend that enough. It's been incredibly successful and incredibly fun to cook and prepare food on for me. So thanks for watching. More stuff like this will be coming in the future. I gave Jess the option tonight. I told her we could either do the Disney Dining at Home cookbook or we could do the Bob's Burgers cookbook. She picked Bob's Burgers, so in the future, maybe the next time we do the Disney Dining at Home, who's to say, who knows? You'll never know unless you subscribe to the channel with the bell turned on for notifications. Thank you for watching as always. Good night. Oh yeah, I gotta do the thing where you go see Mr. Cat, so Mr. Cat time.